If you remember a few days back, we posted in our Instagram if it's boho style still a trend or not, and a lot of you answered that yes, it is still a trend, and I'm so happy for that answer because I really love boho style. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own lamp from just using simple flower pots that I bought in the market. They're not very expensive. They're around 2 real or 2.5 and 3 real. You can find them in any shop where it's flower accessories, even home center or China market. I have brought my only few of my tools, which is a cutter, super glue, I have a scissor, I have a couple of zip locks here, and the glue gun. The main thing here actually it is to create a small hole here in the middle so the cable can go inside, so we can insert this cable. And also if you see this flower pot has handles, so we will have to remove those handles in order to look better. Okay, let's begin.